The birth certificate, license, and title as commercial vessels. 1. The paper that breathes. The system's first trick was simple: turn a moment of life into a certificate of commerce. A birth certificate isn't a souvenir, it's a bond. It records not just arrival, but ownership. The name printed in uppercase isn't art, it's architecture. It creates a separate, legal you designed to transact where the living cannot. So what does that actually mean? It means you were born free and immediately registered for business. Every certificate, license, or title functions as an instrument, a negotiable document backed by performance. The irony? You're the performer. But the system, having registered your name, becomes the producer collecting royalties. Footnote: the registration of vital records converts biological events into administrative entries, enabling commercial representation of the individual as an artificial entity. 2. The license illusion. A license sounds like freedom, until you read the fine print. It's permission to do something you already had the natural right to do. Driving, working, marrying, all converted into regulated privileges through consent implied by application. So what does that actually mean? It means you sign your rights away one laminated card at a time. The signature on a license is more than ink, it's a joinder. It connects the living being to the artificial person, allowing the state to govern the act through that corporate surrogate. The privilege is temporary, the obligation permanent. Footnote: licenses create contractual consent between the natural person and the issuing authority, transferring jurisdictional control through voluntary application. 3. The title trick. Titles are supposed to prove ownership, but in commerce, they prove something else: control. When you receive a certificate of title for your car, home, or land, you're holding the receipt, not the asset. The state retains the original instrument, and you hold evidence of use. So what does that actually mean? It means you're the driver, not the dealer. Titles, like birth certificates, are securitized. They represent the asset in the world of paper. Whoever holds the original, the issuer, holds the superior claim. Possession, without authorship, is merely conditional privilege. Footnote: certificates of title serve as derivative instruments, evidencing possession while reserving superior ownership to the issuing authority. 4. Reclaiming authorship. To reverse the illusion, one must return to authorship. The living being must declare ownership of the name, the number, and the signature. Through affidavit, notice, and claim of right, one reestablishes control over the instruments issued in their likeness. The goal isn't to destroy the paper, it's to direct it. Paperwork is neutral until commanded. The true author doesn't rebel against the document, they rewrite its meaning. So what does that actually mean? It means freedom isn't rejection of the system, it's editing the script. Footnote: authorship of name and signature reestablishes agency over registered instruments, transforming administrative identity into private jurisdiction.